Hello friends, IBPS SO Prelims paper number 42 explanation, quantitative aptitude. Look at question number 101 onwards. A person has to travel from point A to B in certain time, traveling at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. He reaches 1 hour early. While traveling at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, he reaches 48 minutes late. What is the distance from point A to B? See, speed ratio 8 kmph and 5 kmph. Speed ratio 8 is to 5. Then time ratio 5 is to 8. Initially 1 hour early, later 48 minutes late. Early time, late time have a difference of 1 hour 48 minutes. 1 hour 48 minutes. So difference here 3 parts value 1 hour 48 minutes. 1 hour 48 minutes means 108 minutes. Then 1 sorry, 1 part value 36 minutes. 5 parts value 180 minutes. 180 minutes nothing but 3 hours. At a speed of 8 kilometers per hour, he needs 3 hours to reach the destination. With a speed of 8 kilometers per hour, he needs 3 hours. In 1 hour, 8 kilometers. In 3 hours, 24 kilometers. That's your answer. The circumference of a circular field is 32 meters more than the perimeter of a square field. 2 pi r minus 4a is equal to 32. If the radius of the circular field is 8 meters lesser than side of the square field, r is equal to a minus 8. What is the cost of graveling the circular field at the rate of 30 rupees per meter square? Graveling the circular field at the rate of pi r square into 30 rupees. Pi r square. The formula itself having pi means 11 multiple is your answer. First option no. 0 plus 6 plus 7 13 no. 0 plus 9 plus 7 16 minus 5 15 yes. Third option might be your answer. 0 plus 2 plus 7 fourth option no. 0 plus 6 plus 7 13 minus 2 11. Third option or fifth option is your answer. 11 multiples third option and fifth option. But in these two options go for 3 multiple also. Why? Because here 30 rupees 3 multiple. 7 plus 3 10, 9 plus 2 11, 21 3 multiple. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, that is also 3 multiple. Both are having chances are there. So definitely there is no alternative. You need to solve the question. 2 into 22 by 7 into r minus 4 into a means r plus 8. R plus 8 is equal to 32. To 1 time, to 2 time, to 16 times, to 11 times, 2 get cancelled to 8 times. 11r minus 7r minus 56 is equal to 56. 11r minus 7r, 4r is equal to 112. R equal to 28. Area of the circular field pi r square 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 at the rate of 30 rupees per meter square. 7 4s are 28. 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 3s are 12. 0 before 2 should come. 0 before 2 means only third option. That's my answer. Third option. That's my answer. Next. Present age of Bijou is equal to Aju's age 4 years ago. B equal to Aju's age 4 years ago means A minus 4. From this we can write down A minus B is equal to 4 years. 4 years, hence the respective ratio between Aju's age and Biju's age will be 8 is to 7. 8 parts, 7 parts, Difference one part value 4 years. Difference one part value 4 years. 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. What is Biju's present age? 28 is the age of Biju after 4 years. After 4 years 28, then right now 24 is your answer. 24 is your answer. Next. A certain sum is distributed among A, B and C in such a way that A gets 112 more than 2/5 of this sum, B gets 80 lesser than 1/4 of this sum, and C gets 262 rupees. What is the sum distributed? Let's imagine total sum is 100%. Just assume sum is 100%. A gets 112 more than 2/5 of the sum. 2/5 of 100 means 40%. To that 112 extra means plus 112. B gets 80 rupees lesser than 1/4 of the sum. 1/4 of the sum means 25%. To that 80 rupees less means minus 80. And C gets 262 rupees. 262 rupees. Altogether A plus B plus C is equal to 100%. 40 plus 25, 65. 100 minus 65. 100 minus 65 means 35% is equal to 112 plus 262 means 372 minus 80. 372 minus 80 means 292. 112 plus 262 together, 374. 374 minus 80. 374 minus 80, nothing but 294. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 10% value 84. Then 100% value 840 is your answer. Total sum is 840 rupees. Next. 14,350 rupees was partly invested in scheme A at 10% per annum compound interest for 2 years and partly in scheme B at 5% per annum simple interest for 4 years. Both of the schemes earn equal interest. How much was invested in scheme A? So scheme A per 1 year 10%, 2 years compound interest means 21% of scheme A is equal to scheme B for 1 year 5%, 4 years means 4 5s are 20% of scheme B. Interest are equal. A by B is equal to 20 by 21. Sum invested in scheme A 20 plus 21, 41 parts. Out of 41 parts, scheme A belongs to 20 parts. 20 by 41 into 14,350. 41 3s are 123. 205. 41 5s are 7,000 is your answer. Next. Jar A and jar B both contain mixture of milk and water. Jar A has 60 liters of mixture, out of which 30% is water. So in milk and water, jar A 60 liters mixture, in that 30% water means 18 liters water, remaining 42 liters milk. The mixture in jar B has 20% water. Water 20% means milk 80%. So jar B, milk and water are in the ratio of 4:1. So water 1 part, milk 4 parts in jar B. The mixtures from both the jars is poured in empty jar C. The resultant respective ratio between milk and water in jar C given as 19:6. 19 by 6. What is the quantity of milk in jar C? So quantity of milk in jar C means 19 parts. Our answer is 19 multiple Our answer is 19 multiple. So you have only 119 multiple. Third option is your answer. Or else you need to simplify this. Calculate what is one part value. Later 42 plus 4 parts. That's your answer. So 19 multiple is your answer. Only one option. Third option. A started a business. After 5 months from the start of the business, B and C joined. The respective ratio between the amounts invested by A, B, C was 7 is to 11, 14 is to 18. C's share in annual profit was 750 more than A's share. What was the total annual profit? Investment ratio 7 is to 14 is to 18. A is there from beginning to ending, means for the complete 12 months A is there. B and C joined after 5 months. After 5 months B and C joined means remaining 7 months B and C is there. 7, 7, 7. 2 6 are 2 7s are 2 9s. Profit ratio 6 is to 7 is to 9. C share was 750 more than A. Difference 3 parts value 750. 1 part value 250. Total annual profit. Total annual profit means 9 plus 7, 16 plus 6, 22 parts. 22 into 250, 5500 is your answer. The respective ratio between curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 3 is to 4. Curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r h. Total surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r of h plus r. They given as 3 is to 4. If the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is 924, what is its height? 2 pi r gets cancelled. H by h plus r is equal to 3 by 4. Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder 2 pi r h given as 924. 2 into 22 by 7 into. Height belongs to 3 parts. Height plus radius belongs to 4 parts. Means radius is 1 part. Radius is 1 part. Height is 3 parts. Is equal to 924. 22 4s are 88. 22 2s are 44. 2 21 times 3 7 times. 1 p square is equal to 49. 1 part value 7. Height belongs to 3 parts. 3 7s are 21 is your answer. As height belongs to 3 parts, 3 7s are 21 is your answer. Next. A bought certain quantity of apples at total 1600 rupees. He sold 1/4 of the apples at 25% profit and the remaining 3/4 of apples at certain price. If he incurs an overall loss of 20%, at what percent loss did he sell 3/4 of the apples? 1/4 of the apples at 25% profit. At 25% profit. So remaining 3/4 at how much profit or loss? I don't know. Take it as X percent. Overall there is a loss of 20% means minus 20. Why does minus means loss? 25 plus 3x is equal to minus 80. 3x is equal to minus 105. X is equal to minus 35%. So he sold the remaining quantity at 35% loss. Next. A boat travels from A to B upstream and B to C downstream taking the same time. The respective ratio between the distance from A to B and the distance from B to C is 15 is to 7. Sorry, 5 is to 7. If the boat takes 3 hours 30 minutes to travel a distance of 49 kilometers downstream, what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream. See, taking the same time, upstream time, downstream time, both are same. So as time is constant, distance ratio, speed ratio are also same. So upstream speed, downstream speed are also in the ratio of 5:7. They given the boat takes total 3 hours 30 minutes to travel a distance of 49 kilometers downstream. 49 kilometers downstream in 3.5 hours, 7 by 2. So downstream speed is 14 kilometers per hour. In the ratio, downstream is 7 parts value 14, then 1 part value 2 kmph. They are asked to calculate speed of the stream S value. Downstream minus upstream by 2. 7 minus 5 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1 part, nothing but 2 kmph. Speed of the stream is 2 kmph. Quadratic equations. 27 2s are 54, 9 6s are 54. Minus 9 minus 6 will give us minus 15. Initially minus 9 minus 6, finally plus 9 plus 6. Before x square 2 I am having 9 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3. 2 45s are 90. 10 9s are 90. Minus 10 minus 9 will give us minus 19. Finally plus 10 plus 9. 10 by 2 means 5. 9 by 2. 5 9 by 2. Less than, equal, less than, less than. X less than or equals to y is your answer. 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10. Minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 7. Finally plus 5 plus 2. 12 ones are 12. 4 threes are 12. Minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7. Finally plus 4 plus 3. Greater than, less than, no relation is your answer. 8 threes are 24, 6 fours are 24. Minus 6 minus 4 will give us minus 10. Finally plus 6 plus 4. 6 by 3 means 2, 4 by 3. 2 28s are 56, 7 8s are 56. Minus 7 minus 8 will give us minus 15. Finally plus 7 plus 8. 7 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 7 by 2 and then 4. 4 7 less than, less than, less than, less than. X less than y is your answer. Next. 15 2s are 30, 6 5s are 30. 6 plus 5 will give us 11. Finally minus 6 minus 5. Minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. Minus 5 by 2. 2 21s are 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 plus 6 will give us 13. Initially plus 7 plus 6. Finally minus 7 minus 6. Minus 7 by 2. Minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. Greater than, equal, greater than, greater than. X greater than or equals to y. 16 ones are 16. 4 fours are 16. Initially plus 4, finally minus 4. 3 11s are 33. Factors also 3 comma 11 only. Plus 3 plus 11 will give us plus 14. Finally minus 3 minus 11. Minus 3 by 3 means minus 1. Minus 11 by 3. Less than, x less than y is your answer. Next. Data regarding total student strength, males and females of colleges A and B in different years. College A, College B, different years are 2004 to 2007. Percentage of males out of the total strength. 80% are male means females are 20%. 20% value 280. Then 100% value 1400. 70% male means females are 30%. 30% value 450, 100% value 1500. That is the meaning of the given table or chart. First one, in the year 2005, total student strength of college B was what percent more than that of college A in the same year, 2005? 30% female, 30% 450, 100% 1500. College A strength 1500. 25% 405, then 100% 1620. College B 1620. College B is what percent more than college A? Difference by less value. Difference 120, less value 1500 into 100, 8% more. 8% more. Next. What is the difference between average number of female students in colleges A and B together in 2006 and average number of female students in the same colleges together in 2007? 672 plus 450, 1002 plus 70, 50, 122, 1122 by 2 minus 2007, 850, 800, 1650 by 2. To 561 times, to 825 times, 825 minus 561. 4, 12 minus 6, 6, 264. Next. In the year 2007, what is the respective ratio of number of male students in college A and that in college B? So males are 50%, females also 50%. As 50% value 850, then males are also 850. 2007. College B, males 60%, female 40%. As 40% value 800, 1% value 20, males 60% value 1200. 5 17s are 5 24s are. 17 is to 24, second option is your answer. Next. What was the total number of male students in colleges A and B together in 2006? 40% value 672. 4 10s are, 4 1s are 427, 4 6 are 24, 4 8s are 32. 10% value 168. Males are 60% means 6 times 16 6 are 960 plus 48 1008. 2006 males are 1008. College B has 25% value 450. Males are 75% means 1350. Total 2358. 2358. What is the difference between the total number of male students in colleges A and B together in 2004 and total number of female students in the same colleges together in 2004? Okay. Males are 80%, females are 20%, difference is 60%. As 20% value 280, then 60% value 840. Difference is 840 in 2000 college A. Males are 70%, females are 30%, difference is 40%. As 30% value 480, then 40% value 640. Total 1480 is your answer. Next, line charts. Actually, lines are missing here. Already I prepared the same line chart in tabular format. These are the exact values of the line chart. Number of people who travel from Ranikhet to Kullu by trains R and S on 6 different days. Train R S 6 different days, Friday to Wednesday. First one. What is the difference between total number of people who traveled by train R on Monday and Sunday? Train R, Monday 170, Sunday 250. 250, 170, 420. And the total number of people who traveled by train S on Friday and Monday. Train S on Friday, Monday, 250, 150, 400. Difference is 20. What is the average number of people who travel by train or on Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, 300, 300, 600, 280, 880 by 4, 220. 880 by 4 means 220. The number of people who travel by train S on Thursday is 10% more than the number of people who travel by the same train on Wednesday. 80, 10% more means 88. What is the respective ratio between number of people who traveled on Thursday and those who traveled on Sunday by the same train? Thursday 88, Sunday 220. 88 is to 220. 422 times 455 times. 11 2s are 11 5s are 2 is to 5 is your answer. Next. Total number of people who travel by both the given trains together on Saturday. Together on Saturday 280, 240. Together 520. Is what percent more than the total number of people who travel by both the given trains together on Tuesday? 140, 110, 250. Percentage more means difference by less value. Difference 270. Less value 250 into 100, 108%. 108%. Next. Number of people who travel by train are decreased by what percent from Friday to Tuesday? Friday 300, Tuesday 140, decreased by 160 by 300 into 100. 53, 1 by 3%. Next, pie charts. Distribution of number of employees, both male and female, in 5 organizations in 2009. Total 4,200. Distribution of number of male employees in 5 organizations in 2009. Total number 2,400. Male plus female, and that is male. How to get female means total minus male. I will go with ratio method. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 6 sevens are 42, 6 fours are 24. 7 parts value is equal to 1% means 42. 7 parts is equal to 42, then 1 part value 6. 4 parts value is also equal to 1% means 24. 4 parts is equal to 24. There also 1 part value 6. Number of male employees in organization B. Male employees in organization B is what percent more than the female employees in organization C? Organization B, male employees 21 percentage, 21 fours are 84 parts. Female employees in C. How to get female means total minus male. C, 21 sevens are 147 minus 18 fours are 72. Then females you will get. 147 minus 72 means 75 parts. Asked to calculate percentage more, difference by less value, 9 by 75 into 100, 12%. %50% of the number of employees in organization A are science graduate. If the number of female science graduate employees in organization A is 168, what percentage of male employees in organization A are science graduate? First of all, organization A 16 percentage, 10% 420, 5% 210, 15% 630 plus 1% 42, 672. Total 672. In this males 20% means 480. Remaining females 192. These are the total number of employees. In this science graduate, 50% of the number of employees in organization A are science graduate. Out of 672, 50% means 336 are science graduate. In this 336, 168 are female science graduate. So male are 336 minus 168, also 168. So this 168 is what percent of 480? 168 by 480 into 100. 168 by 480 into 100. 35%. 35% is your answer. Central angle corresponding to the number of employees in organization D. 27% means 27 into 3.6 degree. 6 sevens are 42. Answer ends with 2. Two options are there. In these two options, go for 9 multiple. Fourth option is your answer. Next. What is the difference between total number of female employees in organizations A and E together and the number of employees in organization C together? See, one part value 6. Answer definitely should be 6 multiple. 6 multiple only one option. Third option is your answer. As one part value 6, you will get the difference might be suppose 10 parts or 5 parts. That one part is 6 into 6 means answer also 6 multiple. Third option is your answer. Number of female employees in organization D. Number of female employees in organization D is what percent of the male employees in organization C? D female means 27 sevens are 189 parts minus D male 35 fours are 140 means 49 parts female in D. Is what percent of the number of male employees in organization C? 18 fours are 72 parts. 49 is what percent of 72? 4 18s are 4 25s are 1250 minus 25. 1225 by 18. 18 6 are 108. Remaining 145. 18 8 are 144. 68 1 by 18. First option is your answer. Next. Number of employees in both the organization. Number of employees in organization B increased by 25% from 2009 to 10. If the respective ratio between male and female employees in 2010 in organization B is 4:3, what is the number of female employees in organization B in 2010? Organization B in 2010. Organization B 24% here. As 25% value 1050 minus 1% value 42, 1008. This is increased by 25%. 25% increases. 25% increases. 1/4. 4 2s are 8. 20. 4 5s are 4 2s are 1260. 2010 1260. Male female ratio 4:3. Females are how much? 4 plus 3 7 parts. In this 7 parts females are 3 parts. 3 by 7 into 1260. 7 180 times 540 is your answer. What is the average number of male employees in organizations C, D, E? C, D, E. C 18, D 35, E 6. 18 plus 6, 24 plus 35. 24 plus 35, 59% of 2400. Average means by 3. 800 times 472 is your answer. Next, data sufficiency. How much time will train M take to cross train N from the moment they meet, running in opposite directions towards each other? Means train M length to N length to M speed N speed. If you know these four values, you will get the answer. Train M can cross a signal pole in 9 seconds. It can cross 270 meters long platform in 21 seconds. From first statement we can say M length to M speed. 9 seconds signal pole, in 21 seconds signal pole plus long station. 21 minus 9, in 12 seconds it can travel 270 meters. In 12 seconds it can travel 270 meters. Length of the train M means in 9 seconds it can travel 180 meters. 180 meters. Sorry, not 180. So first of all, length of the train means in 9 seconds how much it can travel? Four threes are 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are. So 3 5s are 15, 1 5, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 3 6 are 202.5 meters. 202.5 meters is length of the train M. Speed of the train M means it traveled 270 meters in 12 seconds. 3 4s are 390s are. 3 4s are 390s are. 2 times 2 45 times. 22.5 meters per second, that is speed, this is length, first statement. But N I don't know. The respective ratio of the speeds of M and N is 3:2. Sum of the lengths of M and N is 600. By combining 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. Next. Equal sums have been invested in two schemes A and B for 2 years. Scheme A offers a simple interest while scheme B offers a compound interest compounded annually. Both the schemes have equal rate of interest. What is the rate of interest offered by each of these schemes? The amount doubles itself in scheme A at 12.5 years. Yes, we got the answer. Why? Because scheme A offers a simple interest. Principal is by default 100%. It became double means amount is 200%. 100% increase in 12.5 years. Then per year means 8% per annum. First statement alone we can say the answer. Second statement, the interest earned from scheme A per annum on the given sum is 520. The interest earned from scheme B after 2 years is 41.60, more than the interest earned from scheme A after 2 years. Second statement alone also we can say the answer. First year interest is 520, second year also 520 in case of simple interest. In case of compound interest, apart from first year interest, interest on first year interest is also added. That added given as 41.6. That 41.6 is what percent of 520? 8%. 2 also we can say the answer, either 1 or 2. What is the cost price of the table? Percent profit made when the table is sold for 443 is twice as much as when it is sold for 399. Yes, we got the answer. 443 minus cost price. This is the profit is twice as the profit when it is sold for 399. By simplifying this, you will get the cost price. Market price of the table is 20% more than the cost price. If a discount of 10% is given on the MRP, profit earned is 28. Here also we got the answer. Cost price 100%. MRP 20% more means 120%. Discount of 10% given, selling price is 108%. Profit 8% value 28. Cost price means 100%. Second statement alone also we can say the answer. Next number series 3, 8, 15, 24. Again difference 5, 7, 9, 11. 24 plus 11 means 35. 190 plus 35 means 225 is your answer. 0.8, 2.4, 7.2, 21.6, 64.8. 64.8. 122 plus 64 means 186.8. 186.8. Third option. By 3 plus 1, by 3 plus 1, by 3 plus 1. 24 by 3 means 8 plus 1 means 9 will come. Into 1 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 3 minus 1, into 4 minus 1, into 5 minus 1. 395 minus 1, 394, fourth option. Into 0.5 plus 1, into 1 plus 1, into 1.5 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2.5 plus 1, 53.5. Approximations. 800 into root x minus 80 into root 144 means 12 is equal to 640. 12 80 times 960. 960 plus 640 means 1600. 8 1600 means 2 times root x equal to 2. X is equal to 4. 45% of 800, 360 minus 216. 360 minus 216 means 360 minus 200, 160 minus 16 means 144. 12 square is your answer. 12 is your answer. 14 square 196 plus 24 is 80 plus x is equal to 300. 196 plus 80 together 276. 300 minus 276 means 24 will come. 4320 minus 570 minus 570. 4300 minus 500. 38 minus 50. 3750 by 15. 250 is your answer. 8400 by 14 into root 225 means 15 into 3. 3 5 times 14 600 times 600 by 5 means 120 is your answer. Next. Caselet. Study the following information carefully to answer the questions. In a college there were 800 students in 2012. The college offers engineering in 5 specializations: computer science, civil, electrical, mechanical and biotechnology. Computer science, civil, electrical, mechanical and biotechnology. Out of the total number of male students, it means males and females are here. Out of the total number of male students in the college, 24% study computer science, 16% study civils, 20% study electrical, 18% study mechanical, and the remaining students study biotechnology. Remaining how much I don't know. First of all, I don't know how many male students are there. Out of the total number of female students in the college, 32% computer science, 8% civil, 24 electrical, 14 mechanical, There are 66 female students in biotechnology. 66 female students in biotechnology. First of all, 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 24, 64. 64 plus 14. 64 plus 14, 78. So remaining 22% value 66. Then total females 100% value 300. Out of 800, 300 are female, means 500 are males. Out of the male students, 24% computer science, 120 computer science, 16% civil, 80 civil, 20% electrical, 100 members, 18% mechanical, 90, and the remaining students biotechnology. 24 to 16, 40, 20, 60, 18, 78, remaining 22% means 110. Out of the female, 32 computer science, 96, 8% civil, 24, 24% electrical, 72, 14% mechanical, 42. This is the given data. First one, what is the difference between total number of female students in electrical and biotechnology? Electrical 72, biotechnology 66, together 138. 138. And the number of students in same courses together, male in same courses, 100, 110, 210. 210 minus 138, nothing but 128. 128. Sorry. 210 minus 138 means there is 62 plus 10, 72 is your answer. 72. Total number of male students in civil and mechanical together. Civil 80, mechanical 90, together 170. Or what percent of the total number of students studying in these two courses together? In these two courses only, civil, mechanical. Mechanical total, civil 80 plus 24, 90 plus 42. 80, 90, 170, 24, 42 together 66, 236. Out of 170, 236. So approximately 70% value, 7 6 of 42, 4 2, 21 plus 4, 25, 2 5, 14 plus 2, 16, 165.2, 70% value, 1% value 2.3, 2% value 4.6. So 72 point, approximately 72%. Number of male students in electrical 100 is what percent more than the female students studying in the same course? Percentage more means difference by less value. Difference 28, less value 72 into 100. Into 100. 4 7s are 4 18s are 2 9s are 2 50s are 350 by 9. 9 3s are 27, 80. 9 8s are 72. 38, 8 by 9. What is the respective ratio between the number of male students in computer science? 120. Number of female students studying in the same course? 96. 12 10 times 12 8 times 10 is to 8 means 5 is to 4 is your answer. Average number of students in computer science and civil. Students means total. Total males are 200. Females are 120. Total 320. Average means by 2. 320 by 2 means 160 is your answer. Thank you.